Okay, so this is the next question. F of x is equal to x negative 1 over e raised to the power of x. We are asked to find the 19th derivative of the function. So foremost, what I wish to do is I would like to reset the given function. So in other words, I want to rewrite it. So I want to push this to the numerator. So it's going to be x negative 1 e raised to the power of negative x. Now I will differentiate with respect to x. We get. Now this is of the form uv. So I'm going to take u is equal to x negative 1 and v is equal to e raised to the power of negative x. So u dash is going to be 1, v dash is going to be differentiation of e raised to the power of negative x. That's e raised to the power of negative x multiplied with the differentiation of negative x, that's negative 1. So d of uv is going to be u times v dash positive v times u dash. So my u is x negative 1 and my v dash is e raised to the power of negative x with a negative sign. I'm going to place it there, followed by v is e raised to the power of negative x and my u dash is 1. Now I'm going to take e raised to the power of negative x out, and that would give me negative of x negative 1 positive 1. I can rewrite this as e raised to the power of negative x positive 1, which can be rewritten as 2 negative x times e raised to the power of negative x. Now this is for f dash of x. So imagine this is the first derivative. Okay, now we have to take the second derivative. So what I would do is I would take u to be equal to 2 negative x, v to be as negative x, and u dash is going to be negative 1. V is e raised to the power of negative x, right? So differentiation of v dash is going to be e raised to the power of negative x followed by a negative sign. So d of uv is equal to u times v dash positive v times u dash. My u is 2 negative x. My v dash is e raised to the power of negative x. I place the negative sign there, followed by v is e raised to the power of negative x and my u dash is negative 1. So if I were to take e raised to the power of negative x out, I would have a negative 1 here followed by negative of 2 negative x. So I can rewrite this as e raised to the power of negative x, negative 1, negative 2, positive x. So this is going to be e raised to the power of negative x, negative 2, right? Negative 1 negative added with negative 2 is negative 3 followed by positive x. This is what I get. Now we will have to, okay, I can just write this as f2 of x. Okay, now let me go forth with one more derivative. So this can be further rewritten as e raised to the power of negative x times x negative 3. Okay, the third derivative, I'm going to take the third derivative. So u is equal to x negative 3 and v is equal to e raised to the power of negative x. So u dash is equal to 1 and v dash is negative e raised to the power of negative x. So d of uv is u times v dash positive v times u dash. So my u is x negative 3. My v dash is e raised to the power of negative x with a negative sign followed by e raised to the power of negative x times u. I take e raised to the power of negative x out, I get negative of x negative 3 positive 1, which can be rewritten as e raised to the power of negative x positive 3 positive 1, which is e raised to the power of negative x of 4 negative x. Okay, now this is my f3 of x. Now let me just show you the pattern. So my f1 of x is 2 negative x e raised to the power of negative x. My f2 of x is e raised to the power of, I will just write it here as x negative 3 e raised to the power of negative x. My f3 of x is 4 negative x e raised to the power of negative x. No, this is my f3. Now you see this 1, 3 are producing this pattern. Right? If I have 3, I get 4 here. If I have 1, I get 2 here. Now we are asked to get f19 of x. So f19 of x is going to be 20 negative x e raised to the power of negative x. So this is the correct choice for this question. So what you need to do is you need to set up the pattern. Once you get the pattern, you will be able to get, no matter whether they are asking find the 19th derivative or finding the 191st derivative. Does not matter, right?